All right, we're off on another adventure here. Chip Woot and the DIY Outdoorsman here with. We are in Alabama. And we are at a pretty popular place. I wonder if anybody can figure out where we are just from the surroundings here. What do you guys think? We are at Peach Park. Great little place to stop. Cobbler.
I do AM and
You got a little.
I should probably pick him up.
What is that one? Smoked trout dip. Get a review on this.
Very good.
Good.
Top shelf.
We got some pickled shrimp, some feta with roasted peppers, and then what'd you call this? West Indies crab dip?
West Indies salad. It's like a pickled vanilla onion and jumbo lump crab.
It's all excellent. I just realized I didn't hit record on that, but that's amazing. Mac and cheese, asparagus, and then this is
Crab crusted pan-seared triggerfish.
crab crusted pan-seared triggerfish. Holy shit!
I'm a snob when it comes to that kind of food.
It's going to be real nice today. I think we're going to be able to run fairly quickly.
Given the water height, how long is that ride?
So it's going to be about 40 minutes to the Fort Morgan Pass and then maybe 3 hours. Hopefully we're going to mark a lot of tuna. We're going to hit about 3 different rigs on the way to potentially Mexico.
Will we be able to catch our snapper quota for the day today too?
I doubt it because we need to get out into the rigs. But anything could happen, you know. So tomorrow or the next day, we definitely will target some snapper and some shotgun. Right?
What's out there that brings that we're aiming for with the tuna? Is it seamount out there? Or what's...
So we're going to go to oil rigs. They're in about 3,000 to 5,000 feet of water, and there's pipelines all over the place. They're like kind of a natural FAD, a fish aggregation device is what they call that. A lot of people, they're FADs, fish attractor device, which they are what they are. So, the Gulf of America is full of all these extraordinary resources. It's, kind of like the lifeblood here. So we're gonna go for it. The water reports, the chlorophyll, the altimetry, everything right now to me is pointing to due south about 109 miles, statute miles. So we'll make that as quick work as we can. During the ride. Just
Let's go! Yeah! I'm pumped. I like that.
All right, so one thing I want to talk about today when you're at the beach, especially at the ocean, fishing out all day, you want to make sure you protect yourself, wear sunscreen, but especially on your face. Yikes. They're going crazy back there. Dolphins.
You got one, Drew?
Yep.
All right, leave in the water.
Oh, he's teeny. That's a little red snapper.
If you get a
On that
bite,
live
from
bait,
you,
you won't let them eat it.
Okay.
What?
if I get a bite, from that,
You got dead bait or live bait?
I got clean.
Okay.
Not
1,
left and right.
2, 3, 4,
I'm dead again.
5.
No bait.
Sorry. Come on now.
So Drew, how big was yours?
I know, about 9 inches. What you got, Jason? Good one?
I don't know. I think it's light tackle.
Oh, that's
That is a
that's
monster!
Yes.
Oh,
Someone just won.
holy! Oh, let's go! What a fish! Yeah.
Damn! That's amazing.
I think Jason might have won.
Captain,
Hey, those are the breeders. We gotta throw those back, right?
yeah. I think it was a 2.
Hold the hook up straight. Yeah, there you go, like that.
Yeah, that's.
Hold on.
That's a good fish.
There you go.
And then here,
Hey, hurry up, dude. We got credit. We gotta get on that big fish, buddy. We got.
here it comes.
He's making way on it.
He's making way, yeah. Come on,
What do you gotta do?
She's running.
That's okay. Hold, stay here. Down.
Yeah, now down. There you go.
Win up. Pull up. Win,
Oh,
win.
there you go.
Now reel down and win it. Pull out. There we go.
You see any color yet?
Damn, homie. Go, buddy.
Come on, come on.
Where's the gap at?
That's a good one.
That's what we're doing. This guy just gets stick.
Take my money, Almond. I want you to take my money.
You got it right now.
Little stick like this big with a hook on the end.
Take my money, Almond. Oh, it's a pissed off fish. Take my money, Almond.
Don't go too high with it. Head high to waist high. Come on.
Big one.
Oh, boy. Come on, Almond. Pull it up. Come on, Almond. Watch this thing be a half an inch.
Oh my God, that's a pig.
Thanks, Captain.
Woohoo!
It was worth it.
Let's go. I'm gonna have to mute that when we use that in.
Still got camera?
I got it.
Hell yeah! I got the whole thing on video.
Yeah, Captain, all
All right, we're double up, boys.
We're doubled up on these folks. Come on, Drew. Come on, Andrew.
Rod tip up.
What you got, Andrew?
Hey, just hold it up and reel. You don't have to talk.
Yee-hee!
He holds the fish.
All right, what do we got? Lil Toonie.
Come on. Let's go.
A little Bobo.
What do you want? Drew, pull him here. It's double feature. It's your first threesome, Andrew.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
It's Andrew's first threesome.
Put it under your other arm and then crank with that arm. No, other arm. Yeah, put it under your right arm. There you go.
I just put it in my crotch.
I think you do have 2 fish.
Or it could be a shark, maybe?
No. Oh, yeah.
Hey, that hook's swinging. That hook's swinging there, dude. Scotty.
Huh?
That hook is swinging back there.
Yeah, he knows. He's dating it.
He's close. He's close. He's in.
Get back from you. My hand is off now. You're doing good. Just keep
Come back this way. Come back this way, Andrew. I'm gonna move this.
Beautiful.
Doubled up bonita?
Fuck yeah.
He caught 2 fish.
Good on you.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see what you got here.
Well, you got 2 hooks. You might as well catch. You got 2 hooks. You need to catch 2 fish.
Someone, you know, you'll take a rod and take a fish.
Woo!
Let me
Yeah.
get some pictures. I'm
We
good.
got him. Oh, you have a Gray's account?
Yeah.
That's cool. All right, so this is the key here. Gotta have a vacuum sealer.
You can put on like green beans if you want.
What do we got here? A little salad.
Nothing. Kitchen's closed. No, kitchen's closed.
Redfish almondine. Green beans.
Can we take one
Don't
of
forget
these?
to put that sauce on
I
there.
cannot do a whole one.
They like to come hit these ships about midday.
Oh, dang.
He was alive.
Here's mine.
Come on. Come on.
That was a bumper.
Smooth.
I'm gonna need a bumper.
Come on.
Get off the bottom.
Come on, Drew.
Not in there now. Go down. Go down. Up. Maybe drop too far. Go down. A little bit bigger than the fish from yesterday.
Yes, it is.
Go down. Maybe drop too far. Fish about this long. Waist high. Back up. Back up. Back up. Down. Back up. Back up. There you go. What's the upper body have? Okay.
Golly, y'all.
I know.
Come on. Come on, man.
Don't get fish faster.
I'm not.
Sorry.
That's all right,
Got some
Pastor.
color. No!
That's a shark, y'all.
Oh, keep it. That's Jack. That's big. Shit. This chunk is going in there. You would be gaining on it to the shark.
Please don't do that.
Scott, are you deep enough?
Goddamn, Jason, you're tipping the boat.
How far'd you go? Well, everyone's on that side of the boat.
I think you said go at least 7 to 7.
Yeah.
So you probably want to let out. I'd go down a little bit. You're not getting any bites? I dropped down. Because while he's bringing this up on this side, you got the short side of the boat.
We gotta keep everybody on the same level. If we don't, it's gonna be tough to get these guys, the right ones fired up. 7 to 6, say 7 to 8 right now.
Look at this
Don't
guy.
make it come up.
What the hell is it?
Fish.
It's a big fish.
Fish.
Could be a refrigerator.
Could be a crackhead.
It's an hammer tackle fishing, dang it.
It is. It's a big one, though.
No, it's a big red snapper. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, shit.
It's a big amberjack.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Nope.
No.
Nope. Big
Oh
amberjack.
my God. Oh, yeah.
It is, Scott.
Dude,
Why,
so
reel down,
good.
reel down now.
Wait till you see this thing.
You want real?
It's tight.
These fish are tough. I got a big Kobe on.
Come on, man. Come on.
Can you see it down there still?
No, but when I saw it, it's like, it's legit.
You want me to?
5 footer?
Yeah, bud. No joke.
I'm gonna help you out here.
Help them out.
All right, now, Rick. You're gonna be mad I didn't do this to begin with, but we want to make sure it's good before you do it.
Oh, he's hooked.
He's hooked.
All right. Last day, pretty good day.
Scott, you helping up?
Oh, let me grab my phone.
Oh, where'd they go? Yeah. Absolutely. Jake,